Sorry, I gotta take a picture of the side.
Keep sliding on down just so you don't want to get back too far from everyone.
If you look up, you're going to notice a lot of the stalactites are flat.
Yeah.
Up in here, the stalagmites are flat. Some are gone altogether. Truth is, we'll never know for sure what happened. One thing we definitely know, the damage was not caused by people. It was like this when those first explorers got here about 74 years ago. What geologists believe caused the damage, of all things, water. Now water created cave, created beautiful formations, and it also most likely caused the damage. What geologists believe happened is a huge flood of